What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have a new watch face from the jeweler line of watch faces. This is called the Target Hybrid. Now, before we begin, I did take a little bit of a hiatus for the past couple of weeks just to get some things in order. And now that that's out of the way, we're going to be back to our regular video schedule. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. You have 14 complications, a unique design, and it's high quality. You also get 3 customizable app shortcuts, and I will tell you this a million times over. Anytime a watch face has app shortcuts, it makes that watch face that much better. It makes it more user-friendly, more usable, especially with the information that you're trying to get to quickly. You have always on display, which is available with the same look across the Gear S2, the Gear S3, and the Gear Sport. Here's a list of the available features on the Target Hybrid watch face. Now, a couple of notables that you can see here. The first being that the floor counter will not work on the Gear S2, and the second is with the customizable app shortcuts. You need to make sure that your watch is on Tizen 2.3.2.3 or higher. The watch face features a 12 or 24-hour format, which is based off of your phone settings. And then as far as the watch face itself for the information, you have your year, your battery, step goal, the floors, heart rate, month, day of the week, digital and analog time, week of the year, calories, steps, speedometer, date, and the moon phase. I'm telling you, when you get a jeweler watch face, you know you're going to get all of this information in your watch face, but it's going to be so neatly placed in there that it's ridiculous. Like, jeweler is one of the best watch face makers out there today. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.